What's up, gang? I'm back with another video, and today we'll be doing large plaits with curly ends. First things first, you'll need 6 packs of Xpression hair African collection. It could be pre-stretched or just regular. And you'll also need 1 pack of this Freetress braid deep wave. We used 2 because she wanted 2 different colors, number 30 and 27. So this is how it looks when I first started off her hair. I'm doing triangular parts. That's what she requested to get done. And I just left the ends out so I can show you guys how I add in the curly hair. So first I do is separate the curly hair, the little piece that I want to use. Then I go ahead and plait her hair down and then add in the piece and continue to plait down until I reach all the way to the end. And once I reach the end, I go ahead and take some glue and just a tad bit and just go ahead and rub it in the ends. And once I do that, I get some mousse and just mousse it back to define the curls once again, and that's it. So I will be showing you guys the process once again, so just watch and you'll get the concept. What the glue does is it seals the ends so that way it doesn't unravel once you plait it down, because what I noticed with the pre-stretched hair is once you plait it down fully, it tends to unravel. So I just add the glue in just so that doesn't happen. And I am switching between the 1B27 and the 1B30. So when I do a plait, I add in 1B27, the curly deep wave hair, and then the next plait, I'll add in 1B30. So that way I don't have too much of each color. It's an even amount. So right now I'm just continuing to show you guys how I go ahead and add in the hair for each plait. And I'm just switching back and forth between the 27 and the 30, like I said before. But the only difference is I won't be adding the mousse until I've completed her entire head. Okay, y'all, so right here I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my triangular parts to actually look like triangles throughout her head. So first thing you're going to do is just part straight across from left to right, and then what you want to do is go behind yourself with your Shine and Jam to clean that part up, just to make sure that you have a crisp line. And once you do that, you're going to start on the edge of the section, because that's going to be the first triangle that you're going to be creating. And once you have that triangle created, every triangle after that will be easy to do. So when you have the big sections that's going from one side of their head to the other side, what you want to do to create the perfect triangular parts is to part out a triangle in the middle of their head. And once you do that, then every triangle after that will be good. So as you can see here, I started with the first triangle on the side, and now every triangle after that is easy to do. And because her hair is so thick, I plait it out before I go adding in the weave, just to make the base tighter and for it to look neater. Now you don't have to plait it out all the way, but you need to plait it out from the root to a good amount just to have that tightness. Now that I have everything parted out, I'm going to go ahead and start adding in my braiding hair. So right here, I'm adding in the braiding hair, but it wasn't enough hair. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out and add some more hair to the little pieces that I do have. And then that will be a perfect amount of hair to continue braiding down with. And once I have all this section braided in with the curly hair at the ends, then I'm going to go ahead and create my next section and continue on until I'm finished with her entire head. Okay, y'all, so once I'm done with her hair, I'm just trimming away all the flyaways. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my mousse and mousse her entire head to lay the rest of the flyaways down and to curl back up that curly hair at the end, because you cannot dip this style in hot water because of the curly ends. So you got to mousse it and spray it with either Spritz or Freeze Brasting Spray just to lock it down so that it won't be so stiff. And once you have that, then the style is complete. And this is my complete look. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, and hit that post notification bell so you can stay informed every time I post. Thank you guys for watching. Until the next one.